Night is having her kittens. Right now, she's only had one. It's a little bitty kitten. Hey, kitty. She's purring. She's had her baby, one of her babies. I don't know if she'll have any more or not. Kitty. Good kitty. She came running to me earlier. She came running to me, telling me, like just hollering at me, and I could tell I knew what was about to happen. And she wanted me to follow her to this little shelter area she picked. Good kitty. I don't know if she's going to have any more or not. I stayed out here with her. I stayed out here while she was having the contractions. I see two of them now. Two black kittens. I stayed out here with her while she was having her contractions. I don't know if she'll have any more or not. Any more kittens. But there's two. Yeah. Good kitty. She's picking one of them up right now by the neck. Cleaning them. Good kitty. I think she's having another, about to have another one. Yep, she's about to have another one. She's trying to keep those still. That one still has its umbilical cord. I've been sitting down here with her, watching her. She wanted me to stay with her. This is the spot that she picked. Oops. There's the spot she picked, right there. Yep, she's having another one. I don't know what color that one will be. Since she's dominantly black, it'll probably be a black kitten. But I don't know, maybe it'll be another color. I'm hoping she has various colors. But that's all for this video, just showing the kitty cats. This little update. She's having another one right now. Just thought I would make this video.